Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Scratch. Andrew's account, Cool Stuff Kit.
Today we're going to see my project, Scratch Cat Spawner. So in this project, it's going to spawn a bunch of Scratch Cats right here. So first, the code is when this flag is clicked, that means you run it. You point in direction 90 and go to like the middle.
That's
0, 0. This is 0, 0.
How is it playing the song?
So here it says wait 1 second, and then it will forever loop this. So if key up arrow is pressed, then change Y by 15. That means it will go up. If key down arrow pressed, then change Y by -15. Then it will go down. If key left arrow pressed, then point direction -90 and change X by 15 by -15. Then it will face down and go down. If key right arrow pressed, then point direction 90 and change X by 15. Then it will look right and go right. Let's test. See? Let's go. Okay, then here it says when space key pressed, create clone of myself. When you create a clone, you'll create like another character.
But it's like when he says create clone of myself means it's the sprite cat.
A Scratch Cat. Okay, then it says when I start as clone, that means this is programming the clones. It says forever loop, go to random position, wait 1 second, and then change ghost effect by 25. That means it will like start to disappear. Let's test. See there are scratch because I press space. And then right here it says forever play a song. Okay. And then it will spawn cats forever. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our channel
And smash the like button.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.